everybody, Lewis here, Rshackbbq and other things. So today I'm going to show you a piece of equipment we have. So I watch this air frying YouTube channel called Booger 500 US. I know her as Diane, but anyhow, she does so many awesome recipes on an air fryer. And she did one here real recently, and I told her, I said, you finally got me. You finally convinced me I needed to get an air fryer. So I started looking for them. Now we also watch this channel called Cooking with CJ. And CJ is a Ninja product. Ninja grills, Ninja air fryers, all the Ninja products out there. So my wife recently purchased a Ninja pressure cooker, and it does a lot more than pressure cooking, but I didn't know that. She's done soups, she's done all kinds of different things in it. And I mentioned to her the other day, I was like, hey, I'm thinking about getting an air fryer. And she goes, well, we kind of have one in that Ninja pressure cooker. Kind of does it all. And I said, oh, really? So she brought me the cookbook for it, and yeah, sure enough, it's a air fryer. And I decided, well, I want to make fried chicken. So I'm going to show you this Ninja product we have, and I'm going to do up fried chicken in it. So let me show you which one we have. This Ninja Foodi, it comes with, of course, your Tender Crisp lid. Then it comes with the main non-stick bowl that goes down in there, like so. Then it also comes with your fry basket, and it comes with riser, so you can put the liquid down there and steam something really good on top, as well as the Ninja Foodi cookbook, and then of course your pressure cooker lid. So those are the items it comes with. This lid just folds up out of the way when you're pressure cooking like that. And let's get into this cook. So this is a Ninja Foodi 6.5 quart pressure cooker. And this one here is model number, get my glasses on, OP301 LP3, 6.5 quart. Now, what's neat about this is the Tender Crisp or air fryer. So if you're going to use this as a Tender Crisp fryer, you'd have it set up like this. To use it as a pressure cooker, this lid just folds up. Then you have your pressure cooker lid attachment. Come in at kind of an angle, and then it just rotates over. Then you've got your vents back here. Of course, this will pop up when it's pressurized, and then you just slowly release it, and it lets out the steam. But we're not using the pressure cooker today, so we don't need this. We just need the air crisp attachment and the basket with the pan. Let's get into this chicken and show you how I'm going to season it. Slit in all those drumsticks, and I put them in that buttermilk mixture, pepper and pink salt, and we'll just let them sit there and marinate for probably a good 3, almost 4 hours. About every half hour, I'll just go and kind of mix it up so that it's getting all over all 8 of the drumsticks. And then later on this evening, we'll put them in that Ninja Foodi Tender Crisp and air fry these things up. So it's going to be good. Stick around. So now it's time to get our chicken ready, our drumsticks, to put in the air fryer. And how we're going to do that tonight is, first, you must shake it before you can bake it. Or in this case, air fry it. So I'm going to use shake and bake as my seasoning on some of these. And then what we're going to do is I'm going to add a little bit of cayenne pepper in there too, just to kind of, you know, take it up a notch. So these have packets inside them. And each one of these, I think does like 4 or 5 drumsticks. And there's 2 of them in these. And then they have their own little baggies to shake and bake. But these are pretty. So I'll be using my own. So let's get this ready to do. So I just set a rack on a baking sheet. I wrapped it with foil for easy to clean up. What we're going to do is we're going to drop the drumsticks on this and kind of let them drain for a second. Okay, so we want to select air crisp. We're going to set the temperature to 400. What I want to do is I got the bin in there, and I have the pot, crisping pot. We want to put a couple of tablespoons of olive oil in here. Something like that. Shut the lid. So we got our temp set. We're on air crisp. Let's hit the start. Let it come up to temp. So we let it run for 5 minutes to heat up. We're going to go ahead and stop it. We're going to open the lid and put our chicken in. I'll probably have to reprogram it all, but that's all right. Hopefully we can get all 4 of these in there. I'm going to set this for 12 minutes. There we go. Okay, that was our 12 minutes. Let's take a look at this chicken. Oh my. That looked good. Let's take a quick read here. See what kind of numbers we got. Gonna flip them over. Probably let them go another, I don't know, 5 minutes. 5 to 8 minutes. Let's do 8 minutes and see what happens. Okay. Then flipped over, we'll close it up. Here, Chris, 400. I always go up, except for 8 minutes, and start. All right, it's been another 8 minutes. Let's have a look. See what our temps are. Oh yeah, that's done. Looking good. Let's pull them out. Shake and bake air fried chicken. Smells delicious. Where's that camera? All right, let's get the other 4 in there. Now that we have a good idea of the process we're going to do, put that down in there. This time, we're going to go probably 10 minutes, flip, and then 5 minutes. Something like that. All right, got the chicken in there. Close her up. All right, let's take a bite of this shake and bake air fried chicken in the Ninja Foodi. Let's try this real quick. That's all I can say about it. Delicious. See if you can see that. Take a bite. You got it around my face. Okay, so this was our first run at fried chicken in the Ninja Foodi, and it's a winner. So you saw how I did that. I kind of cut a slit in the chicken. I don't know why. I just heard that. I just heard that's what you're supposed to do. Did that buttermilk mix with a little bit of pink Himalayan salt and fresh ground black pepper. Kind of mixed all that up. Put 8 of these drumsticks in that mix. It was 3 cups mixture, and probably should have done 4 just to get it over the top. Had it in the fridge probably 3, almost 4 hours. Took them out, kind of let them drip a little bit, and then put them in the shake and bake. Nice and easy, extra crispy. That is tasty. Added a little bit of cayenne, tablespoon to it. For me, it's got the right amount of kick. My wife, she's like, oh, I can tell, but it's really nothing. But for me, yeah, I feel it. Then I fired up the old Ninja Foodi with the air fryer pot in there, put 2 tablespoons of olive oil in there, and kicked it up to 400. Put it in there for the first batch. I did 12 minutes. Then when it came off, I flipped them over and did them another 8 minutes. And those ones they probably came out about 180. So then the next batch of 4, I put it for 10 minutes and then flipped them and did another 6, and they are perfect, I'm telling you. Right now I have some barbecue rub ones going, so they'll be done here shortly. Anyhow, super easy, quick. It's going to be delicious. We've got mac and cheese we're going to be serving with this for our dinner tonight. And yeah, like I always say, you could do this too. It's not that hard. Usually I say grill on, but this time, air fry on. Until next time, my friends. Thank you for watching.